मुझे ऐसे पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है ये वाला पॉइंट बहुत पेन होने वाला है. Okay, that did not pain. Oh my God. What are you doing? That's my wax burning. Oh my God. Horrible. I don't want to say it in front of the camera. This feels like.
Yes.
Hi, welcome to The Seeker. Today's episode, I'm feeling a little bit different. Excited different.
एक्यूपंक्चर, इसके बारे में आपने कई बार तो सुना होगा, पर क्या आपको इसका मतलब पता है? Today I'm going to explore a traditional 3000-year-old medicine practice. Thanks to Dr. B.K. Basu for introducing it to India in the year 1959. And now it is widely practiced all over the country. But for all those who don't know what acupuncture is and don't know where to start, this episode is for you. The word acupuncture is derived from Latin words acus, which refers to needle, and pungra, which means to prick. So acupuncture literally means to prick a needle for treatment. और जब treatment की बात आती है तो it's important to have a practitioner जो experienced हो and knows all about the science, and what a better way to learn about acupuncture than from a Padma Shri award winner himself. Let's meet Dr. Raman Kapoor.
This is the first time I'm meeting a Padma Shri.
Not
so
only that,
honored.
something more interesting.
Oh.
I got it in 2008 and it's the only Padma Shri in medical acupuncture given since our independence.
Wow.
Our Vedic transcriptions say Suchi
तो
Bhedan.
क्यों बोलते हैं कि ये Chinese?
Bus because they took away our literature. Everybody looted us. You
So
know
guys, acupuncture की origin India में है.
और इंडिया से ही निकला था ये,
best.
और हमारी वैदिक ट्रांसक्रिप्शंस ये बताती हैं. So there is nothing Chinese about it. It started from India and from here it has traveled globally,
This is
all over
wonderful.
Asia. Yes. So
Wonderful. In fact, the person who got it to India also Dr. B.K. Basu.
Basu,
of
yeah,
course.
from Calcutta. You
He's
know.
from Calcutta,
Yes.
my city.
Yes. Dr. Courtness also. So
Dr.
the entire story starts from Dr. Courtness की अमर कहानी. I have been
Acha.
to Beijing, I have been to China, whole of China,
Okay.
because of my interest in acupuncture, and they took me to especially the place, the graveyard of BK, of Courtness. Can you believe they revere him there? So he was a man who was heading that team in World War II when the Chinese required us, and Nehru said, okay, we will send you a medical team because they required help at that time. And we sent a medical team headed by Courtness, and B.K. Basu was a member of that team.
And acupuncture, I mean,
And
Suchi
they
Veda was
they learned that part there only, because they probably never knew it in India. The problem is that, as I said to you, most of our literature was taken away, even from Nalanda University, we know in Bihar. A lot of the literature Chinese took away from us. And they developed it. Just because they developed it, it has become a science, but it doesn't matter anywhere now, because today medicine is something which should be globally accepted.
Okay, doctor. So
Yes.
I'm super excited.
Sure.
And to see what's in store for me. I'm not going to
Sure.
ask you any more questions. Let me just go and experience it.
Sure.
And then you take me through it.
Perfect.
Chalo.
To be honest, मैं काफ़ी नर्वस हूँ. डॉक्टर कपूर और उनकी पूरी टीम मेरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली पल्स रीड करके मेरे बॉडी में कहाँ हेल्थ इश्यूज़ हैं या प्रॉब्लम एरियाज़ हैं उसके बारे में स्क्रीन पे बताएंगे. आई फील आई एम अ हेल्दी पर्सन एंड मेरे रिजल्ट्स अच्छे आने चाहिए. बट वेल, ऑन टू द रिजल्ट्स नाउ.
I'm actually waiting with bated breath. कि मेरा
Energy graph क्या बताने
क्या
वाला है?
आने वाला है. I don't think I was so tensed even in my board exams.
Is it? There's a graph.
सब red क्यों है?
नहीं, red नहीं है. So, if you see the two lines, between the two lines are your normal values.
हाँ.
So anything above 20 is very good. So most of your values are above 20, which
Yes!
means your general energy level is very good.
Is good. So what is that edge which is one so lamba and one so?
This is the heart.
Okay.
But then again one-sided, so I'm not going to give important.
Means what?
I come here,
Ah.
which is both deficient. Either both excess or both deficient.
What is deficient now?
Liver.
You know what? I've been told that.
It's amazing how accurate this analysis has been. While Dr. Kapoor said that physically मैं काफी strong हूँ, I need to look at my emotional energies more. Interestingly, in the last episode that focused on Reiki, स्वामी ओमानंद भारती जी ने भी same analysis की थी. Anyway, इस Accujing assessment के बाद मैंने Dr. Kapoor को बताया about the nagging pain on my wrist and he said that he will get it out of the way. Well, चलो देखते हैं how acupuncture can help heal my wrist and also get my sore throat back to normal.
मुझे ऐसे पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है ये वाला पॉइंट बहुत पेन होने वाला है.
कुछ नहीं होगा. बता.
नहीं हुआ.
लग गया. We are done. A good acupuncturist is one who uses least number of needles.
Oh really?
And a bad acupuncturist is one who doesn't understand. तो वो पेशेंट के हिसाब से धक.
Oh God. अच्छा. Okay. Okay. Okay, that did not pain.
Specific to my health and pressure points, Dr. Kapoor ने उन्हीं नाड़ियों या pressure points पर needles लगाए हैं. Acupuncture also helps with issues like pain, stress and digestion. While the jury is out on how effective acupuncture is, ये science alternative medicinal practice में अपनी छाप definitely छोड़ रहा है. Next on the list is cosmetic acupuncture. I'm excited. Let's go.
So we are starting with a cosmetic procedure of the face, which is known as a cosmetic facelift. Since we are not going to use any needles on our face, we will not call it as acupuncture really. We'll say it's a cosmetic facelift.
But natural.
But natural and using the basic principles of acupuncture.
Oh.
Earlier on, when it was being done, maybe about, even when I was doing it 5 years ago, we will still be using needles on the face.
Okay.
But the only problem with that would be that sometimes you may leave a blue mark, which looks very odd on the face, but it will disappear eventually. But now even that has been taken care of, because with this procedure we do not use any needles on the face.
So which means that 3000 years ago,
Yeah.
जब botox और fillers नहीं होता था, शायद women used to do this.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. Yes, stimulating.
Ooh.
You will feel it prickly.
Yeah, pricky and ticklish also.
Ticklish, but it's
कॉस्मेटिक एक्यूपंक्चर और फेशियल एक्यूपंक्चर एक नेचुरल टेक्निक है जो आपके स्किन के अपीयरेंस को इम्प्रूव करता है एंड रिड्यूसेस साइंस ऑफ एजिंग. कहा जाता है दैट इट स्टिमुलेट्स ब्लड फ्लो, बूस्ट्स कोलेजन प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रमोट्स सेल रीजेनरेशन, लीडिंग टू स्मूदर स्किन, रिड्यूस्ड रिंकल्स एंड ओवरऑल हेल्दी स्किन. टू थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग एट वंस. मैं कॉस्मेटिक एक्यूपंक्चर भी ट्राई कर रही हूँ एंड पैरेलली माय रिस्ट इज आल्सो बीइंग टेंडेड टू.
Tell me, by putting your pressure back again to the hand.
Oh,
the
I
pain.
forgot about the hand.
That's what's important.
I actually forgot about the hand. It's like I would say 90%
Gone.
better.
Very
90%.
nice. And then do that movement also for me.
Much
so
less.
2-3 sessions is all you'll require. So this condition is known as tenosynovitis, very common with people who are constantly on the phone and using
yeah.
this thumb for that.
Ow. Guys, I know I'm an actor. और मैं अच्छी एक्टिंग कर लेती हूँ, लेकिन मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि 10 सीकर पे मैं कोई एक्टिंग नहीं करूँगी. सो व्हाटएवर रिस्पॉन्सेज आर वेरी नेचुरल एंड इसमें कोई भी एक्टिंग नहीं हो रही है. डिस्क्लेमर.
Electroacupuncture एक टेक्निक है that combines traditional acupuncture with electrical stimulation. Instead of just inserting needles into specific points on the body, small electrical currents are passed through the needles. This is believed to enhance the effects of traditional acupuncture by stimulating the nerves and improving blood flow more effectively. Electroacupuncture help करता है with pain relief, muscle relaxation, and promotes healing in a variety of conditions. Ear acupuncture, also known as auricular acupuncture, is another variant of the same line which involves activating specific points on the outer area.
Is the ear needle going to hurt?
Not at all. Nothing
Because
else.
there's the image of needles going into my ear.
See, this is a probe.
ये help करता है with different health conditions by balancing the body's energy flow. It's almost like giving your ear a targeted massage to promote wellness and address issues like pain, stress, or other serious health concerns. Accutron is a needleless type of acupuncture treatment that helps acupuncturists deliver controlled electrical stimulation to acupuncture points on the body. This stimulation is believed to enhance the therapeutic effects of traditional acupuncture by promoting circulation, reducing pain, and helping the healing process. Essentially, it's like adding a little extra boost to the acupuncture treatment through technology.
Acupuncture has really changed my life. See, the first and foremost thing, surgery was avoided. You know, I'm not on any medicines and I can do whatever I want to do. I'm as flexible as I was. I'm a dancer. I can do anything. I went to Vaishno Devi, you know. I can bend, I can do skipping, I can do cycling, I can do anything. With surgeries, there are limitations. I would thoroughly recommend acupuncture. But you should have faith. That's what Dr. Raman Kapoor, he gave me. He was like, have patience, it will take time. मैं ठीक कर दूंगा. And there I am today.
It is almost 3 to 4 years after the COVID and have stopped all the antibiotic medicines. I'm not taking any antibiotics since last 4 years. And it was a great relief and he has changed my life. I have no words. I have so much faith on acupuncture. If anyone asks me for any disease, I just recommend them to go to Dr. Kapoor, not for asthma, for anything.
Color puncture, also known as color light therapy, is another variant of acupuncture that uses colored light to stimulate acupuncture points on the body. It is believed that different colors of light have specific healing properties and can influence the body's energy flow or chi. Studies के मुताबिक different colors have different effects that promote relaxation, boost energy, and also help in relieving pain. In acupuncture, TDP stands for Tedding Dianchibo Pu, or Special Electromagnetic Spectrum Therapy Instrument. It's a type of therapeutic device that emits far infrared radiation to help relieve pain and improve circulation. Think of it as using a heat lamp that uses a special kind of light to target specific areas of the body. It's believed to help relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and promote overall healing. Ear candles, also known as ear cones or thermal auricular therapy, are hollow candles made of fabric soaked in beeswax or paraffin. इन्हें alternative medicine practices में इसीलिए use किया जाता है because they remove earwax and improve overall ear health. During the process, one end of the candle is lit while the other end is placed gently into the ear canal. As the candle burns, it creates a vacuum that draws out impurities and earwax.
That's my wax burning. Oh my god. It's horrible. I don't want to say it in front of the camera.
Moxibustion एक traditional Chinese medicine technique है that uses burning dried herb to stimulate specific points on the body. Roll moxa involves burning herbs in a stick form to target acupuncture points, while rice moxa uses small rice-sized pieces directly on the skin or points. Salt moxa uses salt and herbs for a similar effect, often applied on the belly button.
What is this pyramid burning on my nail?
Salt moxa. When you start feeling the heat, you will tell us.
Japanese acupuncture के Manaka bamboo moxibustion में they use bamboo filled with moxa to apply heat to acupuncture points. These techniques aim to promote healing and balance in the body's energy flow. Dr. Kapoor took me through the intricacies and helped me understand all these techniques so much better.
I think the face has been lifted, but more importantly, what's lifted is my spirit. ये session जैसे शुरू हुआ था, full confusion, क्या होने वाला है, I have no idea, and then it went on to like wonderland of discovering so many things. But of course, we wanted to show you as many options, and I wanted to see also कि क्या options available है और किस चीज़ के लिए क्या. So we tried to put everything in this episode of acupuncture. I think मेरा favorite part out of all of this would be the whole Moxie Bastian series. Of course, the basic acupuncture जिससे उन्होंने पहले मेरा ये wrist almost 60-70% treat कर दी थी, and by the end of it, I would say it's at 95 or a 98%. That 2-3% is reserved because if I really press it, so it's healed, I think, which is fabulous because no physio has been able to achieve that in even the last month. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about acupuncture? Do you still think it's quackery, or are you with me where you are willing to try different things? क्या आप भी holistic wellness में नए और different तरीके try करने को ready हो? And अगर आप हो तो क्या acupuncture आप कभी try करना चाहोगे? What do you think? And of course, please do like, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna go play this game. So well, keep seeking, keep loving, and be kind. This is Sonali Sachnani signing off.